Fractions of an amount by the creative teacher. Ever wondered when we use fractions in real life, besides just sharing a pizza? We can use it for measurement. Time, telling the time. Construction and DIY projects. Sports. We can use it when we're shopping. When we have financial transactions with our friends. And when we're cooking and baking. 1/3 of 15. 15 divided by 3. So 15 divided by 3 makes 5 equal groups. So 1/3 of 15 is 5. 2/3 of 21. 21 shared into 3 parts is 7. And 7 groups of 2 is 14. 3/4 of 16. 16 shared into 4 equal groups. Then, times by your numerator, 3 times 4 is 12. Remember, 2/4 is the same as 1/2, so a half is always easier to solve. The numerator is the number on the top, and the denominator is the number on the bottom. Always divide your full amount by the denominator and then multiply that number by the numerator. Thank you for watching.